When you fancy a cake but really don't feel like baking, try this quick and easy dessert. Here you get layers of velvety vanilla pudding, sweet and tangy raw berry jam, and caramelized spice and crunch of Biscoff biscuits. It's a complete symphony of textures and flavors. Start by measuring about 2 cups of mixed frozen berries into a blender cup. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener of your choice. Set aside to defrost. Into a small saucepan, add 600 ml of milk. I am using oat, but feel free to use your favorite. Now add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix well, bring to a gentle boil, and simmer for a couple of minutes. Remove from the heat and let cool down, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, crush the biscuits in a food processor or bash them with a rolling pin. Transfer biscuit crumbs into a bowl. Blend the berries. Let's assemble our desserts. First, a layer of vanilla pudding, then raw berry jam, and a layer of biscuit crumbs. Repeat the layers. If you are loving how easy this recipe is, do me a huge favor, hit the like button and leave a comment. Subscribe for more plant-based recipes.